Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Changi Judith, and today I'm here to share with you guys this amazing hand scrub that I use frequently, that I want to share with you guys how to do it. The hand scrub is very cheap. It's not cheap, it's very affordable, and it's very low budget because you can find all the ingredients in your kitchen. No insults, they're cheap. So let me show you guys how to do this scrub, but you have to watch the video to the end so that you see how I'll go about it step by step before I can achieve my hand scrub. And if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? After watching, click the subscribe button, watch my other videos, share, like, leave your comments in the comment section. If you have a video that you want me to do, or you have any thoughts, opinions that you want to tell me, leave your comments in the comment section and I will respond to all the comments. So let me not waste much of your time. Let me take you to the kitchen and show you how I do this scrub. But I'm very sorry guys for the noise and the echo. I'm sorry. I wish I could do better, but I can't. I'm sorry. So let's get to it. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I do this my scrub. Welcome to my kitchen. So the first ingredient you're going to be needing is granulated sugar, powder sugar, the coarse grain, not the fine grain, because there's another one that is very fine. You can't really find any grains, but this one is coarse grain sugar. And this is the first ingredient, which is powder sugar. And the second ingredient is, we have here a lemon juice. So I'm going to you don't have a proportion that you have to add into your sugar. You just need to add the lemon juice until it reaches the point that, oh, the state that you want your hand scrub to be. So I will just be adding the lemon juice and be stirring it and see how proportionate it can be. And then when it is okay, I will then stop. Good. So we are going to stir it now. Wow. Great. So you stir it so that the lemon juice can be homogeneous with the sugar. You don't need to add a lot of lemon juice, because if you add a lot of lemon juice at once, you might just spoil the solution by making it to be so watery and so soft. So there. So this is how it looks like when you can see it's still watery, but not really watery. You still have the grains there. And the third ingredients we are going to be using is olive oil. You either use olive oil or you use coconut oil, but for me, I prefer using olive oil. So I'm just going to add just a little bit of olive oil, not too much. Olive oil helps like a lotion. It helps to moisturize your hands, because the citric acid, which happens to be the lemon, is very dry. It can be very dry to your skin. So we add now the olive oil or the coconut oil. It helps to moisturize your hands and hydrate your hands. So you stir it, and there we go. So this is my hand scrub, guys. This is my hand scrub. So I'm just going to demonstrate how I do it. It doesn't take you a while to just scrub your hands. So I love washing my hands with lukewarm water. I don't know if there's somebody out there that just love lukewarm water. I just love the sensation that it brings. So I will like just pour the lukewarm water in the way I'm going to rinse my hands. Better. So I'm going to take a bit of my hand scrub, like this proportion, and I'm going to, like, as you guys can see, don't rub your hand vigorously. If you rub your hand vigorously, it's going to like make your hands to be red, or it's going to tear some tissues. on your skin. So you just rub your hands gently, like for some few seconds, at most 3 minutes. You see? So scrub, 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 scrub. So after scrubbing, now you have to like wash your hands, because everything has sink. You don't need to do it vigorously. Oh, I love this sensation. So I'm going to rinse my hands now with lukewarm water, which is my best water ever. So I'm going to dry my hands now, and ta-da! These are my hands. Everything is intact, it's soft, and it's just good to go. So that's how I do my hand scrub. I hope it helps somebody out there, and I hope it's helpful, and I hope it helps somebody out there. So guys, thank you very much. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you love the video. If you love the video, give a thumbs up. And you see the amazing results. My hands are soft. They are just too soft. So I hope the hand scrub helps somebody out there. It might be you or your friend. Just share the video, share. So until next time guys, stay blessed and stay healthy. Bye.